3 profitable online business that you can start today with just your smartphone as a student, sit-at-home mom, or as side hustle with little or no capital. I'm sure you're interested, so let's get into the video. Hi there, I hope you're doing well. It's Leo here again. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing with us 3 profitable online business that you can start doing with your smartphone as a student, sit-at-home mom, or as side hustle. Starting an online business with your smartphone gives you freedom to work and earn anywhere you are in the world with little or no capital. So without wasting much of your time, let's start with number 1. Affiliate marketing. This simply means promoting other people's products and get paid an agreed commission. Now, in this business, you don't need to create any product. The product has been created. The promotional material has been created. All you have to do is simply post the picture or video of these products on WhatsApp status, WhatsApp group, LinkedIn group, Facebook group, get buyers to buy, and boom, you get your commission. The good thing about this business is you don't need to start with any capital. You can only start with your smartphone and internet connection, and you'll be making your money. Dropshipping. This also means promoting other people's products, but this time around, you are not getting commission. Rather, you add your profit to the actual price of the product, sell the product, remove your profit, and give the rest to the owner of the product. You can make 100k to 200k monthly doing this business. Now, bonus tip. Don't sell products to people and boom, you vanish. The next time they are seeing you, you are coming back to their DM with another product that you would want them to buy. To excel in dropshipping business, always remember that you are dealing with human beings and not robots. Always ask them for reviews, for feedback. Ask them if they love the product you sold to them. Ask them if they're having any difficulties. Always send them messages wishing them well. Send them messages like Happy New Month, Happy New Year, Happy Birthday, Merry Xmas, Happy Valentine's Day, and so on. This allows them to always have you in mind. Anytime they want to buy any product, they will always call on you. They might decide to buy a car tomorrow and call on you and say, hey, you know what, we would like to buy a car. Can you help us with it? And you will start selling a car. You can be making 100k to 200k or even more doing this business. Hi guys, if you're getting value in this video, I want you to smash that like button so this video will spread to more awesome people just like you. And if you're enjoying this video, I want you to type in the comment section, write down Leo, so I will know you're enjoying this video. With that being said, let's get back to the video. Hey, smash that like button. Social media management. There are many busy business owners out there looking for someone who would help them handle the pressure of social media. Someone who will be there to manage their business pages on social media. Now, this is where you come in. All you have to do is learn simple graphic design using Snapper. I will leave the link in the description below. The good thing about Snapper is all these designs are already there. All you have to do is to choose a particular design, change the text, the picture of your choice, and boom, you already have this design. Send DMs to these business owners. In a day, you might choose to send at least 10 DMs to this business owner. At the end of the week, you've already sent like 70 DMs. Out of the 70 DMs, 4 might choose to reply, 3 might choose to reply, and if 3 end up replying, you might choose to charge them 50,000 naira for a start. Imagine when you are managing 3 pages and you're charging them 50,000 naira. In a month, you will be having like 150,000 naira in a month, pending when the rest DMs are responded, and you'll be making your money. The good thing about this business is your location does not matter. Your location is not an impediment. You can travel around the world and you still have your business and you are still getting paid. If you're looking for investment opportunities that is capable of making you a millionaire this year, then you should consider watching this video right there. If you've watched to this extent, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you very much, comrade. In order to support this channel, hit the like button, smash the subscription button if you are yet to. Until next time I see you again, comrades. Peace out.